Tips, life hacks, do it yourself. Don't throw away used motor engine oil. Best ways to get rid of rust for tricycle sidecar. Amazing idea, homemade. As you can see this video, cleaning the old swing arms motorcycle, removing the dirt and rush. Carefully cleaning it very well, is much better using sandpaper to properly removing rush. Using a brush and apply to the portion of motorcycle swing arms, slowly but surely brushing very well. Use a rag and wipe all over part of motorcycle swing arms. It's so easy, as you can see the purpose of this tutorial. Homemade, brilliant ideas. Don't throw away your motor engine oil, because can be used to all your equipment, even car or any metallic device. Apply it to get rid of rush, to take advantage of something for a long time. Thank you for watching, hope you like it. Please subscribe and select all bell icon. YouTube will notify you if there is new update video on this channel.